So hello friends, once again welcome to Power Learning channel. So today I am here, as you see on my computer screen, there is an online course from Schneider Electric free. So today I will show you how to get this course free and with your certificate. So as you see here, I already in the course. Here is the menu and here all the course outlines are here, introduction, comparing of distribution and all this and how it's look like as you see now. Now this course is open, so I will play the slide.
Welcome to the course, a comparison of AC and DC power distribution in the data center.
So guys, as you see, this is welcome screen and this is all the course here. You have to complete it. You have to complete this, and after that in the last you have exam and you will get the certificate. So how to get this I will show you. So I will close now this screen, okay, and I will open for you here a new window. In this I will write here Schneider University and I will let you know how to sign up with this course. This course is free and this is very good opportunity. You will learn from Schneider and get certificate from Schneider. So after that you will see here it's open. Now I will click on this Energy University by Schneider Electric home. Okay, so let's see. I open now this one. So as you see it's opening. So here we are. This is the first screen. Once you will open this website, so you will click here on the free. Here all this pricings are closed for this courses. This is all are free. Okay, so all you see here, these all are the courses. Whichever you are interested, you can select and do it your course. So what you will do first, as you see, I already have this courses, a comparison of AC and DC power distribution. Okay, what I will do, I will open this. It's still loading. So here we are. As you see, I select a comparison of AC and DC power distribution in data center. So what you will do, you will click here add to cart. Okay, once you will click here, okay, and after that proceed to checkout. So after this, so here we are. If you are a new user, you have to sign up, or if you have account, you have to press on sign in. The sign up procedure is very easy, as we are making account on Google or somewhere. The same procedure is here. You have to write your name, last name and all other details. Once you see here, it's a sign up details here. So you have to write your name, last name, login, password, repeat password and all this information you provide here, and just press the sign up. So they will send you one email directly to your email ID. You will go there and open the link, so it will verify your account. After verifying your account, you will come back here, sign in, then you will press sign in and it will show you now your login details. You will log in from here. Once you get login, you will select your course and start your learning. As you see here, my details are here, so I just press signing in. So guys, here you see we are here on our course. Okay, so what you will do, you will just select this course. As you see here, the price is $0. There is no charge. So once you will be reached on this screen, you can find here start. As I already started this course, I show you in the beginning. So it's showing me resume, but once you will be come here, you will find here start course. So just you will press on this, so it will take you, it will open the new video, new. So as you see here, it's writing here click to start. So I click on this. Yes, I would like to resume. So here we are again. As you see in the beginning of this video, I show you. So here you are. This is your course is started now, so you can one by one check all this and complete your course and get your certificate. So this is all friend for today. I hope you like the video. So inshallah we'll see you in next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.